Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have a brand new to the channel box. Although this box has been around, it's not brand new. This is Gramma in a box. And I have actually been watching them for, I guess, a couple of years now because I've been very intrigued as to what is a grandma in a box. And I got to talk to Grandma Terry, and this is exactly what she does. Grandma in a box includes 12 cookies, 4 frostings, 5 sprinkles, and other ingredients to make 8 candy treats and 20 treats per box. Everything you need, but the bowl, spoon, and microwave are included. Grandma in a box is perfect for grandparents to send to long-distance grandchildren to stay connected. Or if they're lucky enough to live nearby, they can do the projects together. Recommended for children ages 4 and up, ships in the US, and shipping is included in the price. The price is only $25, which I think is a killer deal. Plus, you can use the coupon code here, PINK5, to get $5 off your first box. Grandma in the box is so convinced that we're gonna love this. She is willing to give away a box. And I always love when a box owner is like, I will host a giveaway. I know people are gonna love this. So watch this unboxing and then comment back and tell us whether you're grandma or grandkid and why you love this box. This is the June 2021 box, so it could be a spoiler if you have not received your box and don't want to see it jump out now. But the theme is Emoji and Minion treats. And then on the back here has all the contents of what's inside this box. Then here are the recipes for the different projects. So like this one here is the candy project Emoji Pops. My kids are going to freak out. What I'll do is I'll, after we unbox this, I'll snag them and I'll have them do a few of them so you guys can kind of see the products in action. Emoji and Minion cookies. And then this says, Grandma in a Box June box pickup. If you were in San Marcos, California, you can meet Grandma in person. That is really cool. That might be one of the first times I've seen that in a box. Okay, so inside this box is marshmallows and melting chocolates and candies to decorate with. Like, look, it's a mustache and there's eyeballs and hearts and like little blue star candies all in here. We've got chocolate sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles, blue sprinkles, like all the Minion colored sprinkles. And then the cookies are done. Like, they're already baked. That's a small oval. This is a large oval, small round, large round. Cookie pop sticks, icing in an icing bag. So all looks like all the colors we need are in there. The paper to bake on top of, and there's actually like a really cute little emoji looking eraser. So this box is only $25. What a great gift for a grandparent to send to a grandkid, or even like parents to gift to your kiddos. Even as a parent, if you want to gift this to your kiddos because grandparents don't live nearby or maybe grandparents are no longer around, this would be such a cute little treat. Okay, enough talking. Let me get this in front of my kids. I'm like super intrigued to see what they do. I am literally gonna hand this stuff to them and kind of let them go. I'm really interested to know if it's hands-on, like parents have to be there, or if kids can do it on their own. The instructions look pretty clear and straightforward.
All right. So, oh, what's this? Kid eraser, I'll take it. Very nice. Could you make cake pops? Oh, maybe. Melting chocolate, we'll melt that later. Then we get frosting, decorations, loved by all. Cookies, smaller of all shapes and sizes. Oh, emoji and Minion treats, it says here. So we're doing the emoji and Minion treats.
Okay, do you want to make Candy Project Emoji Pops or Cookie Project Emoji and Minion Cookie?
Me. Emoji and Minion cookie. But
Cookie?
Will we do this afterwards?
We can do that also.
Alright. Yeah.
But you want to do cookie first?
Yeah.
Okay, for this project you will need the cookies. So get the cookies. You will need emoji candy. You will need frosting in the cutest little bags. Those are so cute. Sprinkles. Paige, you want to open this package of the sprinkles? Okay, y'all each want a cookie?
Yeah.
So there's a cookie to decorate. There's a cookie to decorate. But before you decorate it, just take a bite of the cookie and tell me what you think about the cookie itself.
Good.
Ooh, Paige, you give it a thumbs up. I'll try it. Oh my gosh. That's a very good sugar cookie. Okay.
Oh my god, it's good.
Okay, so the start is awesome. Gently knead your frosting. So that means get the bottom and go like this.
The bottom?
Just mix it all around. This is called kneading your frosting. Then turn your frosting upside down and kind of get it out of the tip a little bit. So the tip looks empty like that. And then we're just gonna put a little bitty cut so we can start decorating. So now you can turn it and squeeze it and decorate.
A big emoji.
Emoji or Minion is what we have supplies for.
Oh, nice.
You should make a meh.
I'm making it.
Okay.
I'm making crazy.
Here's some white.
Whoa. Probably gonna make a dude's mustache.
Is that pretty good? So are you gonna share with Daddy?
Probably not.
Probably not. Can Daddy make his own cookie if he wants to?
No, it's all the material's gonna be gone.
You're gonna eat it all?
Uh-huh.
There's a few more in here. There's a mustache. Look at those eyeballs.
I'm using dough for my minions.
All right, girls. What do y'all think? Good? It's good? Awesome. That makes me happy. Okay. I would say this was a big success. What do y'all think? Should grandparents who do not live near their grandkids send this to their grandkids? Should parents send it to their kids just because kids are so wonderful?
Oh yeah, you said it. You said it. That's full truth. Love it.
All right, we've got an official thumbs up from the Crazy Crew that this is delicious. If you guys have not tried it before, use my coupon code right here to sign up. And hopefully we have more delicious unboxings coming your way soon. We'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.
I want to keep making, Mama. I'm not
We
done.
can keep making.
All right.
It's a Picasso.